Hello, I'm Shelly from VOGO Intelligent Bathroom. VOGO is a professional factory that is always focusing on smart toilets, with 10 patents for the designs and core technology. With the VOGO brand, Zhejiang Wanjie Intelligent Bathroom Company Limited has around 300 stores in China and is expanding international markets in USA, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, India, and so on, and we join in different building material fair every year.
Well, it's great. Do you have a certificate for those?
Yes, we have the CE watermark ISO 9001 CB ROS by now, and we are ready to apply for new certificate according to clients' demand. We develop 2 to 3 new products every year. Now, I will introduce 3 popular and classical products for you. Let's see. This R500 is the highest cost performance product, and many projects use it. Our toilets have already been used in high-class hotels and hospitals in China.
That sounds good. What is the function and material?
We can make it by ABS or ceramic as you need for the surface, but all ceramic inside. The functions include keep flushing, male cleaning, female cleaning, stretch driver, warm seat, massage, automatic flushing, and remote control cover. Besides, water temperature, wind temperature, seat temperature, 2B position can be adjusted within 5 levels. Well, we will provide a backup battery for normal use in case of power outage. The original S-Work price is $530 and the promotion price is $399.
Okay, can you introduce us for this design?
Yes, this one has good sales. Many people like the square design.
What a wonderful design. How much is it? Is it on promotion?
Yes, original S-Work price is $570 and the promotion price is $460.
This is expensive. What is the different function compared with R500?
This one doesn't have keep flushing, but it has current sensing and the remote control seat.
Great. And how about this one?
Your choice is good. This is our classical style. It's selling very well.
I have a question. If we need to Wanjie, can you make it?
Yes, we can make it, but the material will change to ABS for surface. You can see this sample.
Well, please. How much is the leasing?
The original S-Work price is $550. The promotion price is $450.
Well, I like your products. Many choices for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.